Morning everyone. This is Kunal. Welcome to this. Today I would like to explain about insert a node at begin in double. In previous sessions, I will discuss how to create a double linked list, how to display the double. Now, how to create, how to insert a node at begin. The insert at begin in DLL is the function. Node first is returning for the starting of the node, index the actual value. Now, first step, allocate memory to the node. Enable the linked list. The generally allocate the memory to then store an integer value into data field of node temp. The created temp variable after that store the actual value, that is the x value stored in the temp data. Then check the condition if first not equal to none. If the condition is false, it means it is in a first node of the double link. In case if the condition is failed, move to as part. That is now temp node as first. It is no nodes in the double linked list. The created node is the first node. That's why the at present temp is the first node and finally return the otherwise otherwise if the condition is true, go to sum. It means assign the address contained in the first node to the next field of temp. At the same and at the same way, the condition is to assign the address contained in the temp node to the previous field of the first. It means store the previous address and next address is stored. Then the present created temp is the and the finally return the first. Resolve that. Now how to work in all present. The first representing, for example, null, it means it is no nodes in doubling. The x value now not temp. It means temp variable is update. Now temp equal to create node in doubling. After the statement executes, allocate memory to temp and the by default store null values in previous and next also. Then temp data equal to x. This was the temp, this was the temp data. In this temp data, store the spot. The temp is representing, for example, 1020. This was the address of the temp. Then, if first not equal to null, represent the first representing null. So, the if condition is false. So, simply move to this statement. This was the first equal to 10. It means at present the 1020 is representing 10. Now this was the then return. It means of the return does not represent 10. There is only one value in double. Then again the same function in case or insert and began in this first is representing 1020. For example, the x value is 50. Now, node it means create the temp variable. Temp create node in double. It means again allocate the memory to temp 2010 is the address and default store null values. Then execute temp data equal to x. The temp is represent 2010, the x is 50. that value is stored to the temp data. Now, first not equal to null. The first is representing 1020. So the condition is true. Now temp next equal to previous. At present this is the for the temp. Temp next equal to temp next equal to first. First is representing 1020. The 1020 shows the value. 1020. Then first previous equal to temp. At present this is the first. First previous is representing present. In this location store temp value. Temp is representing 2010. The 2010 are stored in this location. Then first equal to temp. At present this was the temp. Now after statement execution, the temp is the return first. After the return, only for the represented first. It means 301. In case you can pass the next value, it means temp first next. That is for the 10. It is 102. So it is in a second no. It is the first no. In this way, you can insert at beginning double. Where now insert a node at end in double. How to insert the end of the position in double linked list. Okay. The insert at end in double linked list is a function. Node first is returning for the starting of the node. Index is returning for the actual data. Then declare a node, last node, and assign the first to it. It means represent the first node representing address is allocated to the last node also. Then allocate memory to node temp. It means create the temp variable, then allocate the memory also. Of the allocation memory, store integer value into data field of node temp. The represented temp value to store the data value. Then, if the first is referred to null, it means the first is representing null, then assign the temp to first. It means it is only one node, that is the first node and last node also. End of the node also. Otherwise, browse the list up to the last node. It means in case number of nodes is representing, for example, 3 nodes in existing list up to last node. Then you can insert the end of the list. That's why traverse the list up to the last. Then assign the temp node to next field of the last node. The same way, assign last node to previous next. Then finally return the first, the actual data. Now already previously I will create two nodes. For example, in this case representing 5. This was the first null. The first is representing 0, 0, 0, 0. It means another node. So 1, 0, 2, 0, this one, 2, 0, 1, 0. These are the null. Now, insert at the end in double integers. The first node is representing 1020. Index value, for example, 1. Now, temp last node equal to first. At present is the first, and at the same way, it is also representing for the last. F is the representing for F first, L is representing for last. Then, temp equal to create code in double. After this statement execution, to allocate the memory. For example, 0, 0. That the same way, store null. Then temp equal to temp data equal to x. Present this was the temp. Temp data is representing this location. The location is stored to then first equal to the first is representing 1020. So condition is fails. Now move to else. The last node next not equal to null. The last node next is representing 2010. Now the condition is true. So last node equal to last node next. Represent is for the last node. Now onwards after the statement execution is for the again move to now last node next not equal to null. Last node next is representing null. So condition fail. So move to the statement. In this statement, the last node next equal to 10. This was the last node, this was the next. This last node next is representing for equal to temp. Temp is representing for 3040. So 3040 are stored in this location. These are the 3040. Then temp previous is equal to last node. This was the temp, this was the previous. In this location, temp previous is equal to last node. Last node is representing for 2010. Then return first. Let's put the return first again 1020 is return. Now onwards, in case the first node is representing 1020, the first next 2010. Again, first next. That is 3040. This one 30. Next, the first next. Null. This is end of the existing list is add to the end of the